everybody, welcome to Marcie Creates. This is Marcie, and today I have an unboxing for you for my Jesse James Beads Ambassador Kit, which is gorgeous, and I can't wait to share it with you. And then later on tonight, the Tuesday tutorial is going to feature our Rhodonite strand here. So let's get started. First of all, I am an affiliate for Jesse James Beads. I will put these links for these products in my description, and that does mean that I do get compensated if you click on that link and purchase the product. And also, these are new mixes that Jesse James Beads has out for the Pantone colors. This particular strand is called Rhodonite. Very gorgeous. I love all the blue. Beautiful boho beads. And look at that sparkler in the center. So do check out their website. They have all new Pantone strands that are just yummy. And I do mean yummy. Isn't that a gorgeous, beautiful, sparkly strand? And I have new lighting. So as you can see, this really gets shown off. It's very exciting. So I got this in the kit, which I'm excited about. A beautiful, beautiful length of fairy silk, which I will do something with. If you've never used this, this is very fun to play with. And many, many, many things you can do with it. You can do bracelets with it. You can make a tassel. You can wrap pendants. You can string it through wire work, all kinds of cool things. So we'll have to play with that. And then I got this beautiful mix called mascarpone, which cracks me up because I have a coworker at my day job that calls me mascarpone instead of Marcie. So that's quite funny that that's called mascarpone. But that's apropos because look at all that gorgeousness. Ooh, 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 ooh. I tell you what. That's a lot of sparkliness right there. So we're going to take a look at these real quick because their mixes, of course, are always packed. And I love the little containers they come in. And there's some gorgeous things in here. Let's pick out a few. Right away, I see these Quattro beads. You get 4 of them, it looks like. I love this shape. It's not an unusual shape, but you don't see it too often. Look at the sparkle on that. And this, again, is the mascarpone mini mix. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. I love it. Looks really nice with this Rhodonite. I will be probably mixing these things together. They really do complement. Then you've got some really pretty round beads. Now these are part, as you can see, they got a little bit of frosty and they have a little bit of facets. Those are neat. They almost look striped. Those are cool. I don't see that too often either. Here's some frosty beads. Love the frosty. What is it they say? If you ever watch SEAL Team? Is it SEAL Team? What's the one with Shamar Moore? That's a... no, I can't think of the name. Anyway, they always tell each other to stay frosty. So, there you go. Stay frosty. SWAT. That's the name of the show. SWAT. There's a SEAL Team too, but that's... They may say it there. I don't watch that one, so I don't know. Here's some gorgeous drops. Man, I love the crystal. Sparkling for days. I needed sunglasses almost. It's sparkling for days. Gorgeousness. Love it. Some nice, generous sized bicones. Very pretty. And I love these chocolate, kind of metallic rondelles. Those are really very luscious. Very pretty. This is really, what I like about this neutral mix, this will go with a lot of things. Some cute tassels, little suede tassels. And I love these bead caps that look like crowns. So you get a couple of those. And some more delicate bead caps. Lots of nice bead caps. Love that. And some pearls. Very pretty coppery kind of brown color. And kind of some smoky looking rondelles. Those look really gorgeous next to those pearls. Really, really pretty. I like how the luster of the pearls plays off against the sparkliness of these little crystal beads. Then we've got some more crystals in more of a neutral kind of, almost looks like oyster shell kind of, the inside of an oyster shell. Some more pretty little shell looking beads, round ones. More little rondelles in kind of a silvery, creamy color. Gorgeous. Love that. All those play so nicely together. And these are neat. These look like little flowers. And I love using them. They're nice instead of, they're kind of a combination spacer slash bead cap. Because they're flat on one side. But you have that textural flower, open flower look on the other side. Those are really pretty. And of course, never can I ever get too many of these. These crystal rondelles, I love those. So nice little mix, mascarpone. Can't wait to play with it. So many neutrals in it. I don't think you can go wrong with anything you put with these. And you can use any mixed metal. And, you know, you could use, really would be cool to mix the metals, actually. Let me scooch in a little. You know, you could mix silver and gold, brass, copper, rose gold would be really pretty. Any of those. So the mascarpone mini mix. And then this rhodonite. Oh, I love these coin beads. And I love these spacers. And there's a lot of spacer beads, it looks like, also. And then that stunner in the middle. They could drop that one from Times Square in a couple of nights, huh? Wish you a Happy New Year. Beautiful. And some very ancient looking coin kind of beads. Those are neat. So beautiful strand. This one's called Rhodonite. But do check out the Pantone, the new Pantone strands. All of them are gorgeous. And I would like each one. And several of them, please. But, you know, I'm kind of a hog when it comes to my Jesse James beads. But anyway, this is the Design Ambassador box that I got. And I can't wait to play with it. You will see a tutorial later this evening for our Tuesday tutorial using the Rhodonite and some of these neutrals. I think we're going to do a boho glam lariat necklace. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. I'm going to have 2 videos up tonight. I was out for a little bit, recovering from the holidays, which we had a blast. I hope you did too. I hope you all were safe, but you enjoyed your families. I had family in from out of town that I hadn't seen in a long time. So it was really special and nice, and I wore myself out. So I've spent the last few nights kind of recuperating from that, But now I am back in the saddle with some videos and raring and ready to go with our tutorials and our Sunday BB craft and everything else we got going on. So, thanks for tuning in. Stick around and check out the Tuesday tutorial coming up tonight. Take care of yourselves and your families. I hope that you're enjoying the holiday season as much as I am. Be safe, and I will see you on the next video.